Alright guys, welcome back to my video, and today basically break-even day was up, decided to trade a little more, but wasn't the best idea. And yeah, but I just want to focus on the trades that I did take, which I think is pretty good, and I should have just popped off of that, but you know what happened is what happens in the past. And yeah, so coming into the day, we were obviously super bullish. We had this bullish structure here, and looks like we're continuing up, continuing higher. It's we swept basically like we swept last week's low, this no wick, and also this week's low in June. So yeah, and coming into the market, it looked like we had uh respected and reloaded more aggression off this. We broke through, retested aggression, and we had a nice little reaction. After we retested aggression, I'll play the video. Alright, so after we retest aggression, as you can see, I was waiting, and I can see that we built like at these lows that we absorbed a lot of we had a lot of candle divergence, which means that sellers are trapped or absorbed. I think we retest it, we reswing it, we have another candle divergence, and this is where I enter. As you can see, we had a we have a candle divergence here. Looks like also we are reloading aggression at these highs here, and match perfectly with the lows. And I just entered on aggression because we had to sweep, recover, and into more buying aggression. And I just went and I just waited for buying aggression to come, and it did. So yeah, my target originally was the 9:30 a.m. because higher time frame we are still in a downtrend. So I wasn't really gonna risk that much. Except what I could have done better is hold my winners, like trail my winners out instead of having a set TP. Because yeah, pretty unfortunate I missed out, but so grateful that I caught this trade. And after we sweep that, I saw that we have a huge, we have a candle divergence, trap sellers, and we revisit that, and we break through. Yeah, because I have this this line here. I have a it was a LVN with previous trap seller aggression, so I was contemplating if sellers would show up here, and that's where my TP was there, and it didn't, and huge aggressive buying just came. Yeah, I could have held through all of this, but I didn't, and yeah, I think I tried to short. Did I? This was also a pretty good short setup. I didn't know I didn't take. We had camel divergences here, which means that buyers were getting no result, and they're not being rewarded for their effort. And we had that breakaway from the thing, leaving also indicating that huge aggressive selling is stepping in. And notice how we didn't break above this aggression bubble? I think we don't, do we? We do. I think we retest this one. Or yeah. We never break above this, so yeah. Here. We retest the trap sellers and aggression, and we have another huge candle divergence here, which would possibly, yeah, there. Now we get the final breakaway. This would have been your entry, or here would have been your entry after you see that huge seller start stepping in. And we get the retest again. Oh yeah, my thing was bugging. And then, okay. I would have got break even. I would have lost on that trade, but I didn't take any. But yeah. We retest the high here. Oh, I think now we have the short setup, yeah. Alright, we retest it again. Retest aggression. Need seller stepping in, and we do. I think this is the final breakaway. Yeah, I think now it's the final breakaway. And here we get that final. So what could have been better is wait for the original absorption to get retested instead of because this wasn't a retest kind of. This was more of a this was a failed swing, and we trapped more buyers up here. I don't know which is better. So this is seller start showing up and saying that we want to take price lower, and this is the final like manipulation move where we trap more buyers at the high. We have a fake, and then we retest, and then we go lower. And then after that, I didn't take any trades. I waited, and I was trying to short to value area low, and I had a couple good, but I got stopped break even, and I took 1L. And I think I tried to short here. Did I? I did see a good long play because trend is still bullish, and our structure is really bullish so far. So there's no point. Yeah, and then this is the final breakout. Yeah, that's it.